Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel and I'm a data analyst. Today I'm going to show you the difference between calculated field and calculated item. I'm going to show you how you can use calculated item in your pivot table. So here I have sales data per region. So I want to use calculated item to filter out the difference between the GL and the NW, as you can see here. So I'm going to launch my pivot table, select pivot table. So I basically want my pivot table on my existing worksheet here. So I'm going to click on the existing worksheet and click where I want my pivot table to be established. So I'm going to select OK. So here I have my pivot table and I'm going to drop each field here, the items here in each field. So I'm going to drop the region in the column, the GL and AC in the rows. So I'm going to select the amount in the value field. So here I don't need the grand total. And I want my region to be center aligned. So I'm going to click on the home button and under the alignment ribbon, I'm going to select center aligned. So here I want pivot table to analyze and check the difference between the GL and the NW region here. So I'm going to select the pivot table analyze and under the field. Now, if you're using any version of Excel, you're still going to have the same fields here under the pivot table analyze. You're going to see the field items and set. So I'm going to click this and select calculated field. So here, I'm going to clean this zero and I want the difference. Select GL, insert item minus NW and I'm going to insert item. So before selecting OK, I want pivot table to I want to change the name here. So difference, I'm gonna add and select OK. So here pivot table analyze and check the difference between 298 of the GL and the 274 of the NW. So here the difference is 24 and you can see the same difference for all item on the list here. So this is how I like to think about my field item and my calculated field and my calculated item. Now, basically in Excel, the heading here is referred to as the field, while the item in the heading is referred to as calculated item. Now, to check the difference for this, the GL minus the NW, I use the calculated item because I'm not referring to the field, which is the heading here. So basically, that's my simple definitions of calculated field and calculated item. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I want you to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.